Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are a returning subscriber, it's great to have you back. And if you are new here, welcome aboard. Today I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of achieving this beautiful half up, half down hairstyle using crochet hair. It is stylish and time efficient look that won't break the bank. Stick around as I break down the steps and share some helpful tips along the way. Let's kick things off by preparing the back section of our hair. I've parted mine from ear to ear, creating the perfect canvas for braiding.
The sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
For the back braid, I opted for a total of 8. It depends on what you want, okay? Because this is short hair, I opted for smaller braids. If you have longer hair, you can make it 3 or 4, it depends on what you want. The beauty of this step is its flexibility. You can braid according to your preference. So when you are braiding, make sure to join the one you've braided before. You keep adding them up till you get to the end.
Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I've been with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours.
Moving on to the top section.
Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me
It's time to slick it down. I'm going to section some parts and then I'm going to use the rubber band to hold this in place because it's short. After holding this in place, this is the first thing to do. Apply your hair wax and smooth down the hair with your hand or comb for a slick finish. It's best to do it section by section in order to achieve a polished look. So guys, I did something here. For those of you who always complain of having whites after using your hair wax, I advise you to use your black gel, mix it together. This does not leave white or whatever substances. Yeah. So after applying all the gel and making sure it has reached everywhere, go ahead and then brush through. Alright, this is the crochet hair I'm going to use today. I'm starting from the back and then finding my way to the front. Adjust and crochet as needed, paying attention to any gaps or area where natural hair may be visible. Alright guys, let's move to the top. Alright, we are not going to crochet this top. Okay, we're going to use our crunchy hairbands for this because you're just going to wrap it. Okay, so this is the crochet. There's a loop in it. I'm just going to put my hand, making my way through the loops. So this loop I'm having here is where the crunchy hairband is going to pass through. So I'm going to put it like this and then here it goes. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to attach it to this one on top and then you wrap. I'm going to bring out some crochet strands and then I'm going to wrap it together with the ones on top, making it, firm, especially if you are planning on keeping the hairstyle for an extended period. Yeah. So guys, I got this from one of my weavers and I just want to spice it up. This is not necessary anyways. If you don't have this, you can rock it without it. Yeah. Did you know you can unravel this hairstyle to make it fuller? Yeah, it will be very full if you unravel it, but I just want this strand. Like I'm seeing the waves, the curls like that. That's why I left it. But if you want it to be fuller, you can go ahead and unravel the curls and it will be full and beautiful as well. Guys, are you seeing your baby girl? Are you seeing your baby girl? So guys, have you liked this video? If you've not liked the video, make sure to click on that like button and share. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and picked up some valuable tips. Don't forget to check the description box below the video for all the relevant links and details. Catch ya!